All right, let's build another app with Remy. So I'm just going to click record here. And so I want to build a simple message board service called Anon Chat, A-N-O-N Chat, C-H-A-T. Basically, users create an account with a username and an optional avatar. Users can create new threads or comment on existing threads. And then comments and posts can be text and or image. Let's just start there. I'm going to click enter. And so Remy's going to think about it and then ask us a bunch of questions. So how anonymous is it? Let's do other, and we're going to say phone sign up. No need for real names, just a username. Are threads organized into categories? Yes, let's do user created categories. What can users do beyond posting and commenting? Sure, let's add some of these things. Report posts, obviously edit, delete their own posts. We'll start with this. Any moderation? Yeah, let's do admin role for now. What's the aesthetic vibe? I'm gonna do playful and colorful. And where will people primarily use this? Both equally. And it's gonna get to work. Oh, it has more questions for us. How do tags categories work? We're going to say pick from existing tags or suggest new ones. How should the main feed look? Let's do mixed. Images get cards, text gets list items. How should threads be sorted by default? Let's go with number one, most recent activity. For image posts, anything special? Let's just do inline images and posts. And again, we can change all of these things later once Remy builds them. It's really easy for us to go back and forth with Remy and experiment with all kinds of different UIs and change our minds anytime we want. And so now Remy is consulting with its design agent and saying, I'm building this service. I need an entire design system, a color palette, font choices, overall visual direction, etc. And so the design agent is thinking and showing us its thought process. So now we've got a spec we can look at, and this is using Mind Studio flavored Markdown. And so we have the human readable part here, and then a bunch of annotations for the builder agent to be able to actually build this. We can look through the visual identity. I really love this logo. And yeah, so all of this looks great. And then when we're satisfied, we can simply say build now, and Remy will get to work. And so Remy is consulting with its architecture agent and explaining to it its plan to build the service. And the architecture agent is providing some feedback. For example, use router instead of React Router DOM. And so here Remy is asking the design agent, please take a screenshot of the non-chat route and review the visual design. And so the design agent is going to take a bunch of screenshots. And the design agent comes back with what's working and things to fix. And Remy is going through and fixing all of them. Now we're taking screenshots again. Now it's asking the QA agent to go ahead and test this. And so the QA agent's going to do its pass. And so it tested the feed, tested the sign-in flow, tested the auth modal, the detail page, the buttons, the nav bar, and then Remy got an all flows passed. And so now Remy is done, and we get to play with this preview. We can preview it on mobile, on desktop, and in full screen. Awesome. So Remy generated an image, a custom image, found this view at 3 a.m., could not share it. So here's a nighttime view. And so we can click through these, and we can, to interact with them, it asks us to log in. So I'm going to put in my phone number. I just got the confirmation code. So we're able to create an account, choose this avatar. And so then I'm going to say, this is cool. There's our comment. And we can upvote, we can downvote. We've got filtering by tags. We can create a new post. We can add a tag of general. Let's see if we can add additional tags. Yep. Nice. Had the little confetti that showed up. Can we upvote our own? Yep. We can delete. Yeah, and so all of this is working. But I just realized we need some moderation tools here. We already have the requirement for a phone number, so that's going to prevent a bunch of folks from just spamming it. But I want some additional moderation tools. So let's have Remy build those for us. And I'm just going to record it here. I want to build an admin portal that allows me to do some user management and some post management. And let's figure out things that we can leverage AI for. Give me some ideas. And so we can have high-level ideas and leverage Remy to be able to help us flesh those out, make a choice, and then have Remy build them for us. And so it's come back with a bunch of ideas. User management, searchable user list with ban unban, role assignment, and per user detail view. That makes sense. Post management, browse all threads and comments with filters, reported, deleted, flagged, bulk actions for cleanup, nice. Pinning and unpinning, sounds great. AI content screening, every new post and comment gets silently scored for toxicity. AI report summarizer, when you open the report instead of reading through a long thread. These are all awesome. And it's giving us some choices, or we can just type here. So let's add AI content screening to the admin portal. Let's add AI report summaries. And let's just say build the admin portal with all the AI features. Why not? Oh, and I just noticed we've got trending tags here. Yep, 3, yep, 2. I can't wait to use this. And I really love the way it looks. We've got search, and so I can search for, let's say, rules. Nice. Unwritten rules of the board, yep. Upvote from here, downvote from here. This thing is working on one shot here. Let's take a look at the profile. Here's my post that I made. I can edit my profile. Yep. So Remy is just going through this giant list of these backend tools that we're having it build with a bunch of AI features. And it's just going to build them for us. And so here's our spec for our admin portal with AI features. Screen content runs on every thread and comment. Summarize report. When admin views a report, AI generates one paragraph situation summary. This is awesome. Analyze health. Community vibe check. We've got all the stats for the dashboard. All of the users, searchable and filterable. All threads. And then goes into schema changes and various updates on the code side. All right, and let's approve it. And so it's done, and it's running the QA agent again to test all of the scenarios. Now it's QAing the admin dashboard, and here it's fixing all of its bugs. And so now it's updating the scenarios to include some AI flagged content so we can test the admin dashboard. And great, and now our admin portal is built. And so it lives at /admin. See, to try it out, run the populated board scenario, navigate to /admin. And so now let's look at our admin portal. I can click this little icon here that is created for me. And I get a dashboard, see total number of users, threads, comments, open reports. I can run a vibe check. Let's try this. And so we get back a vibe check. It's got activity for threads and comments. Posts that need our attention with an AI score on them. Places trash, you're absolute moron. Then we can look at users, including the admins, all the content. And so this is awesome. So now I'm going to give Remy another feature to build. And we can look at our spec. And not only does Remy create this entire spec here, it also creates a roadmap. And we can quickly take a look at that roadmap and see what else we want to build. So AI thread summary, a single tap gives you a sharp one paragraph summary on any long thread. That's cool. A karma and reputation, users earn karma score from upvotes. So this is like Reddit. Moderation appeals, a notification center. So users get alerted when someone replies to their thread or comment. The hook that turns one-time poster into a daily visitor. Create polls, and so it comes up with a bunch of ideas. So let's go ahead and build this thread summary, and I'll show you how easy that is. And here's the spec for the thread summary. One tap, get sharp AI summary of any long thread. That makes sense. Say approve. And so here it's creating some more synthetic data for us to be able to test all of this. And we can see all the database tables directly here in the Databases tab. We can run SQL queries directly from here. Okay, and let's test it out. And so we need to open the pineapple pizza thread. So I'm just going to search for it. And now we've got this catch me up button that we can just click. And we get an AI summary of this thread. And so I hope you can see how easy it is to be able to just have a very vague idea of what it is that you want to build. You know, a simple message board service called Anon Chat. You know, I basically describe it. And then Remy designs it, builds it, gives us a roadmap, allows us to continue to expand on it, or simply ask it to build us new features. And whenever we're ready to go, all we have to do is say publish. It will create a publish plan for us. And now all we have to do is click publish. We can give it a custom subdomain, and now we can simply open our application. So you can go and create a new account. Let's go. And so now I'm the only user in this new message board forum, Anon chat system. And so perhaps you can come and join me. Just go to this link, anon.msagent.ai. I can also give it a custom domain name later. But you can visit this now and join the service, and we can interact with one another.